Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today's the day. We're gonna start disassembling the m54b30 engine for the e46 BMW. First, we're gonna go ahead and remove all the engine harness, all the loom, all the cables, all the plugs. Most of the plugs are easy to unplug. All you have to do, you have some type of clip in here. See this metal clip in here? We're gonna push it in and you pull the tab out. So you push this one in, or push the plug out. You see the little metal thing right here? You push it in there, push in, and pull the plugs off. So let's go ahead and tie all the connections, all the plugs, and let's start unplugging cables. Alright, time to start removing the intake. What we're gonna try to do first, we're gonna remove these bolts right here. We're gonna get it done with this T25. There you go, T25. So it goes here and here. We're gonna remove those. We're gonna disconnect this hose in here, this one here, and then if you're trying to remove the intake, it's gonna have one bracket holding here, so you're gonna make sure you remove that one with the, I believe it's a 15 millimeters. And then also you're gonna disconnect this hose right here, the catch up from here. All you have to do, this bottom one, it has two tabs. You have to push them, squeeze them, and then pull it out, which is squeeze and pull it out. Same on this one right here. It's gonna be in there. Squeeze the tabs together and then pull it out. This one is already out. So let me show you how it is. There's this side right here and this side right here. So all you have to do is this: squeeze and pull it out. So we have those two unplugged. And then once we have that, we're gonna take the little top on top right now. And then we're gonna go ahead, take this little reel off with the T25, get it out, and then after we're done, we're gonna take those 10 millimeter nuts from there. It's gonna be 1, it's gonna be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more right here. 7. Where is it? 7 right here. So we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 10 millimeters. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, the bolts are nuts for the intake manifold. 7 bolts, remember I told you? They're not 10 millimeters. It's gonna be 11 millimeters. 11, not 10. So there's the intake out. So these are the actual nuts you're gonna get out from the intake. I told you 1, 2, and there's double in here. These are the nuts. It's not a 10 millimeter, it's 11. So make sure that. This is the intake. And once you get that one out, remember I told you there was a little bracket holding in here, which is the bracket over here. And then on top of that, it was holding in here with a 16 millimeter. So there's the intake out. There's injectors in there. And they will come with the whole plug or harness. Like pause it, let me set it down and I'll show you. Okay, so here's the intake, the harness, injectors are together. Now if you want to remove the injectors, you're gonna need a 10 millimeters right there. 10 millimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get the full injector reel off. I left this little harness in here because I want to keep everything together. The same when you remove the other one, to remove these injectors, the only way is gonna be prying this little tab in there. Those little ears right here. Let me show you from the bottom, right here. So it's one here, and the other one on the other side. You open it up, and then you pull the plug up. So it's gonna come the whole assembly. It's gonna pull it out. So we can push this one back in. But I was gonna check the cables, any splice or anything, so make sure. I'll show you how to remove the injectors on the next video. I guess that'll be it for this one. Next one, we're gonna take off the valve cover, open the front, remove all the front accessories, remove all the brackets, remove the flywheel, the clutch, and it's getting ready. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Free to talk shit, free to drop any comment below. Thanks for watching.